In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can repost someone else's story to your Telegram story. You can simply repost stories to your Telegram story in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Telegram. In the story section, just tap on any story you would like to reshare to your story. On this story, tap on the share icon on your bottom right. You will see this repost icon. Tap on repost story. You can add any caption if you want to. Then after tap right here to customize how long your story will be visible. You can also add any text. To choose any text type, tap right here. If you are done editing, tap on next and then your story will get shared successfully. That's how easy it is to repost Telegram stories. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.